The Hardy-Weinberg principle states that allele frequencies in a population will not change. However, there are certain conditions which must be met in order for this principle to apply. The population must be large and mating must be random, so the principle could not apply in a small captive population where selective breeding occurs. There must also be no gene flow, meaning there's no immigration or emigration, and there must be no mutations or natural selection. The Hardy-Weinberg equations can be used to calculate allele and genotype frequencies. In these equations, P and Q are interchangeable, and it's really important that you know what each part of both equations represents. Let's look at an example. Say there is a gene for eye colour in horses, where the dominant allele codes for brown eyes and the recessive allele codes for blue eyes. In a population of horses, 30% of individuals have blue eyes. We want to know what percentage are heterozygous for this gene. Firstly, convert 30% into a proportion by dividing by 100. In order for a horse to have blue eyes, it must have 2 recessive alleles. And remember, Q squared was the proportion of individuals with the homozygous recessive genotype, so Q squared is 0.3. To find Q, take the square root of this, then substitute Q into the other equation to find P. We can now do 2 times P times Q to find 2pq, the proportion of heterozygous individuals. Times by 100 to convert to a percentage, and we've reached the answer. Follow me for more A-level biology revision content coming soon.